We are pleased to show you the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires front all season. Your new ride is just a phone call away.